The Lost Kitten. This is a little kitten. His name is Tom.
Este es un gatito pequeño. Se llama Tom.
Tom lives in a nice big house.
Tom vive en una casa grande y bonita.
His family is very kind to him.
Su familia es muy amable con él.
Tom has a soft collar with his name.
Tom tiene un collar suave con su nombre.
One morning, the big window is open.
Una mañana, la ventana grande está abierta.
The kitten looks outside. He is curious.
El gatito mira afuera. Es muy curioso.
Kitten.
Gatito.
The kitten sleeps on my chair.
El gatito duerme en mi silla.
Kind.
Amable.
My neighbor is kind.
Mi vecino es amable.
Curious.
Curioso.
My little brother is curious.
Mi hermano pequeño es curioso.
He sees green trees and the blue sky.
Ve árboles verdes y el cielo azul.
Tom jumps out through the open window.
Tom salta por la ventana abierta.
The warm sun shines outside.
Afuera, el sol cálido brilla mucho.
Tom walks on a small path to the park.
Tom camina por un camino pequeño al parque.
In the park, there are many trees and flowers.
En el parque hay muchos árboles y flores.
Tom plays happily with the yellow leaves.
Tom juega contento con las hojas amarillas.
To jump.
Saltar.
Cats like to jump.
A los gatos les gusta saltar.
Park.
Parque.
We walk in the park.
Caminamos en el parque.
Leaves.
Hojas.
The leaves are yellow.
Las hojas son amarillas.
He sees a small bird on a tree.
Ve un pájaro pequeño en un árbol.
The little bird sings a pretty song.
El pájaro pequeño canta una canción bonita.
Suddenly, a very big dog comes near.
De repente, llega un perro muy grande.
The big dog barks very loudly near Tom.
El perro grande ladra muy fuerte cerca de Tom.
The little kitten is scared. His heart beats fast.
El pequeño gatito tiene miedo. Su corazón late rápido.
Tom runs away from the dog very fast.
Tom escapa muy rápido del perro grande.
Bird.
Pájaro.
A bird sings outside.
Un pájaro canta afuera.
Suddenly.
De repente.
Suddenly, the rain starts.
De repente empieza la lluvia.
To bark.
Ladrar.
Dogs like to bark.
A los perros les gusta ladrar.
Scared.
Asustado.
My sister is scared of spiders.
Mi hermana está asustada de las arañas.
Tom runs under a wooden park bench and stays there.
Tom corre bajo un banco de madera y se queda allí.
Tom sits very quietly and starts to cry.
Tom está sentado en silencio y empieza a llorar.
He does not know the way back home.
No conoce el camino de vuelta a casa.
He really wants to go home to his family.
Quiere mucho ir a casa con su familia.
The little kitten meows softly under the bench.
El gatito pequeño maulla suavemente debajo del banco.
A kind old woman walks through the park.
Una anciana amable camina por el parque.
To hide.
Esconder.
I want to hide my gift.
Quiero esconder mi regalo.
Bench.
Banco.
I sit on the bench.
Me siento en el banco.
To cry.
Llorar.
Babies start to cry.
Los bebés empiezan a llorar.
Quietly.
En silencio.
Please speak quietly.
Por favor, habla en silencio.
She hears a soft little meow nearby.
Ella oye un maullido suave cerca.
The old woman looks under the wooden bench.
La anciana mira debajo del banco de madera.
The old woman finds the lost little kitten.
La anciana encuentra al pequeño gatito perdido.
Hello, little one, she says softly.
Hola, pequeño, dice ella con ternura.
The kind woman gently takes Tom in her arms.
La mujer amable toma a Tom en brazos con cuidado.
She carries Tom to her small house.
Ella lleva a Tom a su casa pequeña.
To hear.
Oír.
I want to hear the music.
Quiero oír la música.
To find.
Encontrar.
I need to find my keys.
Necesito encontrar mis llaves.
Lost.
Perdido.
My phone is lost.
Mi teléfono está perdido.
Old woman.
Anciana.
The old woman lives next door.
La anciana vive al lado.
To carry.
Llevar.
I need to carry this bag.
Necesito llevar esta bolsa.
The old woman gives Tom some warm milk.
La anciana le da leche caliente a Tom.
Tom drinks the milk and purrs contentedly.
Tom bebe la leche y ronronea contento.
The old woman sees a collar with a name.
La anciana ve un collar con un nombre.
On the collar, there is a phone number.
En el collar hay un número de teléfono.
She calls his worried family on the phone.
Ella llama por teléfono a la familia preocupada de Tom.
Tom's family arrives quickly at the kind woman's house.
La familia de Tom llega rápido a la casa de la mujer amable.
Everyone hugs Tom. He is home again.
Todos abrazan a Tom. Está en casa otra vez.
To purr.
Ronronear.
Cats like to purr.
A los gatos les gusta ronronear.
Phone number.
Número de teléfono.
Write your phone number here.
Escribe tu número de teléfono aquí.
To call.
Llamar.
I want to call my mom.
Quiero llamar a mi mamá.
Worried.
Preocupado.
My father is worried today.
Mi padre está preocupado hoy.
Home again.
En casa otra vez.
I am home again.
Estoy en casa otra vez. Ahora escucha la historia en inglés otra vez.
This is a little kitten. His name is Tom. Tom lives in a nice big house. His family is very kind to him. Tom has a soft collar with his name. One morning, the big window is open. The kitten looks outside. He is curious. He sees green trees and the blue sky. Tom jumps out through the open window. The warm sun shines outside. Tom walks on a small path to the park. In the park, there are many trees and flowers. Tom plays happily with the yellow leaves. He sees a small bird on a tree. The little bird sings a pretty song. Suddenly, a very big dog comes near. The big dog barks very loudly near Tom. The little kitten is scared. His heart beats fast. Tom runs away from the dog very fast. Tom runs under a wooden park bench and stays there. Tom sits very quietly and starts to cry. He does not know the way back home. He really wants to go home to his family. The little kitten meows softly under the bench. A kind old woman walks through the park. She hears a soft little meow nearby. The old woman looks under the wooden bench. The old woman finds the lost little kitten. "Hello, little one," she says softly. The kind woman gently takes Tom in her arms. She carries Tom to her small house. The old woman gives Tom some warm milk. Tom drinks the milk and purrs contentedly. The old woman sees a collar with a name. On the collar, there is a phone number. She calls his worried family on the phone. Tom's family arrives quickly at the kind woman's house. Everyone hugs Tom. "He is home again,"